Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Karishmatic here. So guys, I hope you all are safe at your home during this self-isolation period. So guys, in this video, as I promised you earlier, so this video is all about the Olay Regenerist range. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you all about the Regenerist products. So the Olay Regenerist consists of the 4 products. So I'm just going to tell you in explanatory way one by one. So before moving to the review section, I'm just telling you one thing guys. I'm a biggest fan of the Olay products because before jumping to this Regenerist range, I was using the Olay Total Effects. So if I'm going to tell you the comparison in between Olay Total Effects range and in between the Olay Regenerist range, so there is a simple difference in both of that. So the Olay Total Effects is only about when you are just going to enter into the anti-aging, so that products are just for that. But the Regenerist range is all about the more advanced form of beauty products, or you can say for the especially for the anti-agings, the wrinkles, or for the advanced form of the fine lines. So if you are just going to enter in your some older age, so definitely you have to choose these products. So let's start the review. Product is this Olay Regenerist Advanced Anti-Aging Face Cleanser. Cream based cleanser guys. So as it is very clear by its name that this is the cream consistency, not forming any kind of leather or foam kind of thing or a gel consistency. So this is totally the cream cleanser. So it comes in this kind of packaging, and it is all about the 100 gram of quantity. So when you're just going to apply it on your wet face, on your damp face, so it doesn't provide you any foam, any leather, or it's, you can say that complete a soap free kind of thing. It hydrates your skin. It doesn't feel any kind of dry or patchiness after washing your face. And one thing guys which is more interesting about this product, so this product comes with some beaded particles. You can say the your skin feels exfoliate, or if you have any kind of dead skin, so including with the cleansing part, it also remove your dead skins at all. So it's completely the soap free. So especially in winter, it's feel very much hydrating on your face. So if you are searching for, if you have a dry skin, or you have a dry or a combination kind of skin, and you are just searching for any kind of brand or any kind of cream based cleanser which don't feel dryness after washing your face, so you can try it out guys. So guys, I'm just moving to my next product from the same Regenerist range, that is the serum. So this is the serum. So this is the completely the outer packaging of the serum, and it comes with a red color, a very beautiful packaging they have. So this is the red color bottle. It's exactly seems to be like this. So again the serum, so it consists 50 ml of the quantity, and it comes with a nozzle dispenser packaging. Serum has a pretty good creamy consistency. So whenever just you going to just use on your face after your cleanser, so it's immediately feels you a very nice texture on your face, and it has a silicone based, so it's completely, or you can say promptly hydrate your skin and prepare your face for your next step, that is the moisturizer. So the moisturizer can easily glide over your face. So this is one of the product which I used twice a day, and it's really works. I really like this product too much guys. Where I don't have too much fine lines, or you can say don't have that much fine lines on my face, but yeah, it's a work for my open pores or uplifting my skins, you can say. So I'm just using this all of the Regenerist range from 1.5 months back. So yeah, I'm just using all that after switching my past Olay Total Effects, which was quite good. So yeah, this is my, I'm just experiencing all that product. So it's not provides you that much glow or prompt glow on your face. If I'm just going to compare with my Olay Total Effects, which is generally using by the peoples for the starting period, but this is a more advanced version. So I don't find any kind of wrinkles on my face, but I'm just try all that products to just prepare my skin for the future hazards and all. So yeah, so if anybody just going to search any kind of products like that, so I think the Regenerist range is good for you guys. So it has a very nice anti-aging Regenerist range. So this is completely the advanced version for best regimen for your skin, especially the anti-aging skin. So whenever you have to apply, before using your moisturizer or your day cream or before your night cream, definitely you have to try this product, because the influence of the products increases by only the serum one. So most of the people know that things. Those are the first two products, and I have two other products from the moisturizer range. Yeah, this one, and from the night cream range. So I'm just explaining you one by one. So this is the outer packaging of the moisturizer, which is called the Olay Regenerist Advanced Anti-Aging Micro Sculpting Cream. So you have to use this moisturizer in the daytime. It doesn't consist any kind of SPF. So if you are just searching for any good moisturizer which is firmer for your skin apart from any anti-aging, so you can definitely try this one. So I'm just going to open this. So this is a very Olay Regenerist have I don't have to say anything, it's have an amazing packaging, a very beautiful kind of a tub material. So this is the packaging Olay provides, and it has a silver cap. So this is completely the glass bottle, not the plastic one. So again, the 50 gram. So yeah, and if I'm going to show you the proper or exact consistency, so you can see that, guys. So yeah, it's glide very smoothly, very well. So this is, you can say, not thick. So it is a completely a light material, very light on your face, providing more hydrating or nourishment. So the if I'm going to tell you about the ingredients, so niacinamide, some other products like isohexadecane together works amazing job, guys. So it's not gives you a prompt result as I told you earlier, but if you are just going to use for continuously day by day, so as the time passes out, your skin feels a very firmer, brighter kind of look if you are properly follow all that regimen and all, guys. I'm moving to my last product from the anti-aging Regenerist range. So yeah, this is the night cream, you can say. So again, like that, this is the 50 gram, and this is the white color bottle with a same silver packaging, and again it's a 50 gram. So this is your night cream. So overnight, after the application of cleanser then serum, you have to apply this night cream on your face. So it definitely works, guys. I feel it, so I experience a lot. So apart from all that, the serum one and this night cream is personally my favorite. So if I'm just going to tell you about the consistency, so as same like that. so it has the same lightweight consistency, easily glide on your skin, so smoothen out your skin, so whenever you wake up in your next morning, so the plumped kind of look you can definitely experienced, you can say the brighter kind of skin. So the best part is that it doesn't feel your skin too much heavy, or you can say the comedogenic kind of thing. So the night cream is a little bit heavier as compared to the day moisturizer, but it doesn't feel your skin so greasy. So whenever you wake up in morning, you feel the difference on your face. So it looks so plumped, so hydrating, so nourished. So as the time passes out, you definitely feel more difference at all. So if I'm going to say you the difference between Olay Total Effects and the complete Regenerist range, is only the major difference is that, so whenever any girls or any people from the anti-aging is going to enter in the anti-aging, so that complete range is all about the beginners who directly enter into that range, and the Regenerist range is all about those people or those person who are just want some advanced kind of thing, especially for your lines, wrinkles, and I think this complete range especially works on your under eye area, your neck, your this area where so much fine lines. So basically it nourished, it treats, or it's completely the fundamental mechanism of this Regenerist range is only about it treats your skin, or it's completely the science of aging, you can say. So definitely if you are just going to search this kind of product, so definitely you have to try this one. I hope this review is helpful for you. So just give it a try to your skin and just feel the difference. And whatever your experience, please comment below. If you have any question regarding this all product range, definitely you comment me below. And last but not the least, if you like my today's look, my complete this eye makeup and all, so definitely you can comment me also. So if you like it, definitely I will try to create this kind of look as per your demand. So till then, bye bye, thank you so much, and pause this video, and if you are not still subscribed my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel, and of course you can tap the bell icon also, so you just know about notification and all. So bye bye, take care, and thank you.